Greetings. In this video, I'm going to help you fix a GE dishwasher that is stuck on a cycle and it will not continue to the next cycle and you're not able to get to move. All right, first thing I want you to do is sometimes the buttons are stuck. So what I want you to do is firmly get your thumb and press down on each one of them and go back and forth like a piano. Just go back and forth on the cycle buttons if this is the model that you have. Same thing with your knob. See if you're able to force the knob back into start. Make sure that your lock is all the way. And if it'll allow you, go ahead and shut off the lock and then put it back on. All right, the next thing you can do if it's still stuck is you're going to do a hard reset. All right, in order to do that, the only thing you have to do is go to your breaker box, like this one, locate to where the kitchen is and where it would link up to your dishwasher. Find it in your house and to the one, and then turn off the breaker. It clicks, and leave it off for a good 10 minutes. Turn it back on. That will do a hard reset on your dishwasher. If you could unplug it, that would be ideal, but of course you can't get back there to unplug it. All right, after you've tried that, some models will actually have a reset option like this. So while it's on the cycle, hold down the reset option and don't let go. Hold it for a good 10 seconds and let go and see if that will work. Some will actually have a start button. Instead of it being here, it'll be here. Hold down the start button and don't let go and see if that will go to the next cycle. Finally, last but not least, there is a reset button under the kick panel here, and some of them will just pop off. This particular one actually has 4 screws on it, so I have to get like a Phillips head and unscrew all 4. And if we turn on the light here, you're going to see there's a reset button down there. And that's going to be on pretty much all GE dishwashers. And the only thing you have to do is just hold that down for 5 seconds, let go, and that should take you to the next cycle. All right, put in the comment section what model that you have. Do you have a GE Monogram, or what version do you have? All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.